Hey guys, so I just got my FabFitFun winter box and I am so excited. This is my first time seeing all the products that are inside, so I'm gonna let you look with me. But before I do that, I just wanted to let you know that if you use my special code, you can get your first box for $10 off. Let's see, I'm so excited. Unboxing these boxes are like my favorite thing ever. Look, and how cute are the boxes? They're always so cute. All right, let's see. First, we have the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. Condition and Restore. Oh, okay. I love this. Apparently, it's great for eczema. I do have eczema, not gonna lie. It's very uncomfortable, so I'm excited to try this. Next, we have this Original Pink Makeup Eraser. All right, guys, so this is like one of their new products, and you just wet it, and it takes all the makeup off your face. I've heard great things about it. I have used other products of theirs to get like makeup off my t-shirts and stuff, and it works, I swear. Next, we have the Pep Rally by the Dry Bar, and I'm excited. Prime and Prep Detangler. Y'all, I put a detangler in my hair every single night whenever I get out of the shower, and too, because I like the smell. Let me see, I want to see what this one smells like. Oh yeah, that smells really good. I'm definitely gonna be using this. Next, oh, you guys know I love me some makeup. Makeup is like my jam, my go-to. If I can get new makeup, it's a good day. So this is by Beauty Bakery, and it's so cute. Look how cute this packaging is. Let's see. All the amazing colors. Oh my gosh, these are literally my everyday colors. So people ask what I do for my eyeshadow. These are like everything. So I would probably use like this one. These, I love me some shimmer. Let's see. These are amazing. Look at how amazing these are. So shimmery. Oh, I love me shimmer, guys. Next, we have this Framemati coffee scrub. You literally just bring it in the shower with you, exfoliate your entire body, and you're gonna feel like a new person. Next, oh my gosh, stop. These are so comfortable. Okay, so PJ Salvage. I actually wear a lot of their pajamas because, well, they're really comfortable and soft, and these are even more soft. I'm obsessed. This is definitely one of my favorite boxes, and I say that every time. And next, we have this amazing hand soap. I mean, who doesn't love a good hand soap? I know I do. Let's see. Oh my gosh, that smells so relaxing. It literally smells like a spa. And next we have this Adore bracelet by Swarovski, and it is so cute. Now, if you know me, you know I love stacking jewelry, so this is such a great stackable piece. It's so cute, so dainty, so guys, this box is absolutely amazing. All of these products are valued at over $200, but if you use my special code, you can get your first box for $39.99. That is a steal.